Hello, art friends. Get those pencils ready. We're going to be watching how to draw Daryl from The Walking Dead. All right. So to start with, what we're going to do is we're going to come in here and we're going to start with a letter C. Comes up, down, and back around. And that is his nose. And then we're going to draw a little line under like that. And then from here, we're going to draw a line come up like that. Okay, then we're going to draw his eyes. Now, he's got very squinty eyes. Okay, so we're just going to draw an arched line like that. And then we're just going to draw a line underneath like that. We're going to come over here, do the same thing like that. Now we're going to come down like so. And then he's got these furrow eyebrows. Like so. Like that. All right, then for his mouth, we're just going to draw a line like that. We're going to draw some whiskers, because you know when you're out killing zombies you just don't get a chance to shave much. Okay, let's kind of even that out. Okay, then he's got the little goatee. Is that what that would be called? I don't know. So it just kind of comes down and back up. And we're just gonna make some textures in here. Like that. There we go, that looks pretty good. Then we have a line coming out and up, out and up. And we got some ears here. So. Okay. Then we got the hair. All right, so the hair, depending on the season, we got some zigzags here. Comes down, goes in his face. We'll draw the long-haired version. And it's just got, I mean, this guy's out in the wilderness, you know, he's like taking that bow and really taking care of some zombies. So he's got, definitely not going to the stylist here. We'll draw the hair coming down. There we go. All right. Now for his weapon. Okay. So we're going to draw a little neck on him, like so, because we're going to make this into a caricature. Big head, little body. You know what, though? I'm thinking we need a little bit more kind of face stuff in here, because he's, you know, it's hard work killing the zombies. So we probably should. And then he's got like some stubble here, because again, he's not shaving much. Put some furrow in his eyebrow. There we go. Maybe some lines on his head. There, that looks more Daryl-ish. All right. Put a few more little. Okay, yeah, that says Daryl, I think. All right, so for the body, got the neck. We're gonna have a little shoulder. He's got his whatever hand here, holding his weapon. Great big forearm. Okay, then let's see, we'll put the shoulder about here. It's gonna come down like so. Come back up. All right, then we got his shirt coming down here, coming around. And then over here we got the shirt coming up and around. Big bicep, or I mean tricep. Whatever I'm trying to say. Got his thing on here, comes up like that. Of course, what would Daryl be without his bow? Just across, and then this one back, and we've got there, and we've got a little bit of it coming around there. All right, now for the legs. Okay, so we're gonna start with this knife to go right through the head. Oh, and we got the pants. Leg. And we got some shoes. All right, and we'll put a little detail here. And we'll put some ground here. Put some lines on his arms because they're so strong. Clavicle there on his neck. A little this and that. But an indication of pectoral muscles. Yeah, looks pretty good. All right, if you enjoyed this, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Middle School Art Mania. Thanks for watching.